everybody. Welcome to our design studio. Actually, I want to say welcome to our lemonade stand. I'll tell you, I have had so much fun with the lemonade. Everywhere I go, I see lemons now, and I just have really enjoyed it. I hope you'll enjoy our tips and tricks as well as some new ideas. So let's get started. Card here is a half squeeze the day. I think that is such a cute play on seize the day. Could be a card for many different occasions. But the thing I liked about this, I like layering. And I also like to kind of frame my card. But I love how this card cutout kind of breaks up that pennant. So it's just a little, softens the edges, if you will. And just added the cute little blossom and berries. And you could also put squeeze the day inside your card and embellish it there if you wanted as well. So I thought that's just a fun card, but I do love the softening of the little round card cutout in the middle. Then our next card, when life gives you lemons, make lemonade. Or some cards, lemon cards no less. Anyway, I thought this was such a fun card, and I really like it on the pink geranium barnwood. It just is such a nice contrast with the card cutouts that I think it's really striking. And if you wanted, you could put the make lemonade inside of the card, add another little blossom in there, and that would be a cute variation on this card. But I think it's so fun. And we've used the little small leaves and the small lemon on this one. So I love the different size of lemons that we have. Okay, fresh lemonade. Oh, you guys, I have had so much fun, and good lemonade that you just can't beat it. So this one looks delicious, actually. But a couple of things I just wanted to show you is I just cut ever so slightly here and here, so I could cut and insert my straw so it goes down and then it comes back up. But I really like how that made it feel real and just gave it a little more personality. And then the lemon slice, I don't think I can take it out, but I just snipped it probably about to right here, and then I slid it onto the jar just like you would in real life. So I think that is a fun touch as well. So I just love that card. I love the colors. And then, you know, we've talked a lot about, I like having something that frames my embellishments. So this little tag, I think, does that very well. And I love the pink or the peach lemonade polka dots with this. The stripes, all of those just look so cute. So this, I've just used this little tag, and then I mounted everything on the tag. I love the pink lemonade slices. I think they are so fun. And then just to add a little message. Now you could use this just as a tag if you wanted to. So you wouldn't have to make it as a card, but it does give you a fun option. And the last one, nope, not the last one. Let's see, I think I forgot to mention something. So one thing, as I mentioned, I really like framing my embellishments in, and so I love these new card cutouts that we have. I love the roses and the lemons together. I think I really like the pink and yellow, just to add a little blossom, the little rose leaves, and you're so sweet. Now you could also put that on the inside if you wanted, or leave another message on the inside of your card, but I think that is really a fun touch. On this one, I used just regular double-sided tape here. Then I did mounting tape on all of the rest of the images, except You're So Sweet and the rose leaves. I just used double-sided tape for that too. It just gives a little more dimension. Something I want to go back though for this card, because I neglected to show you, is this one. I actually cut off this second border out here. So you see this only has one border, but it just gives it a different look as well. So you might experiment with that. This one here, I just did double-sided tape for the sentiment, And then everything else has mounting tape except for the leaves. They are just double-sided tape as well. And then our last card, I just love all of the citrus. This is our the leaf that comes with the little cluster of leaves as well. We are using our pink and our white blossom, our lemon, the small lemon with the lemon slice. And then we have a pink cosmos frame that we're using, and I really love it mounted on the daylily gingham. I just think that is such a fun contrast there that it just really makes everything pop. And of course you could put the sentiment on the inside of your card as well. Okay, so enough about the kit. Let's see what's new. Okay, the first one I'm going to show you is this happy birthday card. I have fallen in love. Let's see. This includes card cutout 589. I have really come to like this color, and I've had so much fun using it, but I hadn't used the small frame yet. So I challenged myself to do something with that, and I think it turned out really cute. So you can see it's just the frame cut here. I have mounted it on the card, including double side tape here and here. But I love just how it overlaps just a little bit. And then the rose and the rose leaves. Now something I did, this one here, it is just double-sided tape, but I have pinched my leaves. I'm going to pinch this one too. And you just kind of come in and just give them a little squeeze, but it gives them a lot more dimension, and I think adds a fun twist. So you can see how easy that is to give a little more dimension there. The rose leaves back here and the berries I actually tucked behind the frame. This one is just behind the rose itself, and then added the happy birthday. Now you could have put the happy birthday message on the inside as well, but I love it on the pink geranium barnwood. You know, I don't know that I have used that paper too much. I like to look at it, but it is so fun to work with too. I've really enjoyed that. So just to show you, we already talked about the card cutout for the little frame. We used the pink geranium barnwood. We used card cutout 596 for the happy birthday, and it comes in the pink geranium as well as pink cosmos. Then we have our berries and our leaf clusters and our roses. So many fun things you can create. I can't wait to see what all of you are making. Okay, our next card. And this is, I told you we were doing a little sweet twist on the lemonade kit, just to show you how easy it would be to convert a card to a birthday card or for Mother's Day. Now, this one here, I think it is just so sweet. We've used the pink geranium tea stain stripes, card cutout 590, 587, 582, 584, the little sentiment squares, 597, and my favorite new frame. I'm just loving that color and the combination. So, but a little trick I learned. I was using the squares here, and I thought, oh, it'd be so cute to have one of these strips go behind it. But guess what? It only stuck out just a little bit. So I did a little magic. I cut the strip in half and moved them to the side so you can see how I made it look longer. And I have double-sided. Now, I use mounting tape for this, but I loved how you could make those little banners a little bit longer. But I loved how this looked with the stripes and this color of the frame. And then I open it up. So I have for you, and then happy birthday. And I've just added the little lemon slices and the small leaves tucked in. But I think it is so fun to decorate the inside of the card, because that is always a big surprise. People are just not expecting that. And it means you have less room to write too. Sometimes I worry about what I'm going to write on the inside of my card. Now you can just sign your name and a little short message if you want, but oops, I lost the front of our card. Anyway, I think that is such a fun card. I just really like that. Now, it says for you, this could say Happy Mother's Day as well as Happy Birthday. Or it wouldn't even have to have another message inside. It could just have the little lemon slices with the for you, and that would be as cute as can be. Okay, this is not a special request, but I know not everyone likes pink. But when you're making pink lemonade things, it's hard to not use pink. But I came up with an idea. So I'm going to show you the supplies we've used. Now I'm going to show you two different versions. So here's the Happy Birthday on chalkboard. We have our Daylily gingham. We have card cutout $5.96, $5.95. $5.82, $5.84, and $5.87. Now, if you notice, there is a blue sentiment here. You're the zest. A little play on you're the best. So, I'm going to show you what I have done. I have already gone ahead and mounted it just so you can see. I've just had 2 lemons, the little blossom, my leaves, you're the zest, and then I open it up and I added the message, Happy Birthday. There's no pink. Can you believe it? So, but this was such a fun card to do, and I loved it on the black. And I thought doing it on the Happy Birthday is just a cute way of adding another little birthday wish there. Okay, let me just show you how cute it also is on that Daylily gingham. Isn't that just fun? So you can see there are lots of options, just even depending on what background paper that you are using. Okay. Our next little card here actually is a tag, but you can make it into a card so easy if you chose to. So this one, I have a couple of different background options, so you can just see the Happy Birthday on chalkboard and our black watercolor dots. Then we've got our blossoms, our little tags, our sentiments, and our leaves. So I used the tag, this little here, and I just added a few embellishments and did Happy Mother's Day on it. And it was so cute. I'm like, I don't even need to make that into a card. I'm just going to dangle it from something. It was so cute. Now, all of the things we've talked about, you could also do as a birthday or Mother's Day interchangeable. So this one does say Mother's Day on it, but if you had had the Happy Birthday, look how cute that contrast and how fun that is. I just love this pink with the black. But I also thought it was cute. Look how cute it is on the watercolor dots. So I just love that contrast. I think it's so, so fun. Then one last idea. And it is a gift bag. And I've made it so it has a little closure here. So you open it. Now it's a little wider, so you just have to be a little careful. And then you can open the bag. So, but I love the little closure. I always wonder how to make that look cute. So let me just give you a few points on what I've done. So I decided, oh look, I just tucked a little bit of it in the back, and then I added, this is off one of the sentiment card cutouts, and I just added that for a little finishing touch on the back. But I was so disappointed when I first went to do this. Now, I must tell you, I got these bags at the dollar store. 3 of them for $1.25. I'm like, those are just nice to have on hand. And when I came home making ideas for the video, I'm like, I'm going to use one of those bags. I just love them. So, but it was just a little too wide. So what I did is I just folded it however long you want it to be. There's not a magic size there. But then I just trimmed it like this. And now it slips right on the bag. So just a little extra space there, but it slips right on. And then I only use double-sided tape and put it on the back here. Then this works as a flap and you can lift it. I really love I just love paper. I love anything you can do with paper, but I love layered paper. And look how cute this is. You open the flap and there you see Happy Mother's Day. Now, of course, this would be cute for a birthday as well. But the more I got thinking about it, the more fun I was having. I told you I was seeing lemons everywhere. I went to Trader Joe's and they had lemon kitchen soap. And I'm like, ooh, that's perfect. And I'm like, what a cute little gift you can make for somebody. Put some lemon soap in here. Maybe some little lemon crystal lights or something. Anything yellow would just be cute. Or pink, of course. Or you could do lemon heads. There are so many cute, fun things that you could stick in this bag. I have used mounting tape on almost everything on this outside little closure. And on the inside, I cut off the top point just because I ran out of room, but I just added a couple little blossoms, a leaf, the message Mother's Day, and the little happy that is also on that sentiment. So, but you could say happy birthday. You could just do anything your imagination comes up with. Well, I hope you have had fun at our lemonade stand today and that you're enjoying your fresh lemonade kit and that you can use this video and make some fantastic cards, some new ideas for you. So, happy card making!